It's a full-blown political war over Kangana Ranaut, the film actor, getting a Y category security by the Union Home Ministry, by the centre. So therefore now the Shiv Sena and the Congress party are slamming the centre's move of having given that Y security to Kangana. The Congress is accusing Bharatiya Janata Party of rewarding those because Kangana is a supporter, pushes their agenda, while the Shiv Sena lashes out at the BJP saying, will they next provide Dawood Ibrahim with that security just because Shiv Sena is against him? Saurabh Bhaktania is getting us all the latest on that. Very interesting. So the Shiv Sena says, Saurabh, give it to Dawood Ibrahim also because Shiv Sena is against him. Also, Congress is jumping into this war which had nothing to do with the Congress in the first place. So do you think this Y category security will become a showdown on September 9th when she arrives in Mumbai?
Absolutely, Pooja, absolutely. This is going to be a huge showdown. It can be a protest kind of situation. There can even be physical war, I must say, because now the Karni Sena have said that they are going to protect Kangana Ranaut. Already Y security is given to Kangana Ranaut. But Karni Sena people are saying they will be present at the airport. They will be escorting Kangana to her home. They will also be placed outside Kangana's house. Now, this has not gone well with the Maharashtra government here. The alliance of the three parties, Sena, Congress, are absolutely against in the way she is being given Y security. They are saying that the Kangana is actually saying lot of things against Maharashtra. She is saying that Mumbai is not safe for women. Then why is she coming to Mumbai? What she has to do with Mumbai? In all the lockdown period, she never came to Mumbai, and now she has spoken against Mumbai. So what is she has to come over here and do it? They have also asked the NCB to probe her drug links. Now, let me tell you specifically, she should have some shame. This is the senior Maharashtra minister, Vijay Wadetewar from Congress, has said in the ongoing session. They also said that she is Maharashtra Drohi. So this is lot of political war which is going on. They are also saying that this will go on till the time when Bihar elections are happening. This is all has to do with the Bihar election which is going to happen. Now, the another leader from Shiv Sena, that's the MLA Pratap Sarnaik from Thane, he has written a letter. He has asked the NCB to probe Kangana Ranaut. He has asked that a statement of Kangana Ranaut is must in the matter because she's been saying that she knows lot of drug mafia racket which is going on in Bollywood. So
but one thing is clear from this, Saurabh, that Kangana Ranaut is staying defiant and she's giving a fierce response as well, despite clearly with having to work in Mumbai itself. Very interesting. Thank you so much, Saurabh, for tracking all the latest. So a lot of